Hey guys, this is our first tutorial in Unity. This tutorial is about how to access a variable from one script to another. This scene basically has a player and an obstacle and a canvas with a score display text. Let's see how this score display text looks like. Yeah, let's play and see this now. Yeah, it's good. Now I have a first script. Let's open and see what it has. This script basically has a player score integer, and this void says that when there is a collision on player, the player score updates by 1. Now let's add a second script which basically accesses the player score value from first script and then updates in the UI. Now let's open the second script. First delete the void start and void update. Then go to the first script and create a reference for the second script in the first script. Now go to second script and delete the mono behavior and type first. Now let's create a new function in the first script and this access the second script. In the second script, to access the UI score display, we should create a reference in the second script. So we add a unity.ui. Let's create a public integer percent score and a reference for the score display UI. After that, create a score updater function and inside the bracket use an integer with the name you want. Also make this function public so that we could access from the first script. In first script, we are going to update the player score to the score update function in the second script. So type second dot score update in the bracket, write player score, then finish it. Go to second script and type present score plus equal to score. And in the next line, we are going to update the score to the UI. To do that, type score display dot get component text dot text and equal to in the semicolon write score plus present score. And that's all, we have finished it in the scripting part. Now jump into Unity and add the first script to the obstacle and create an empty game object which is basically going to have the second script. Drag and drop the score display from canvas to the script. Make sure that the player is tagged to the player tag since we have tagged the player for the collision in the script. Let's play and see how it works. Yeah, now the player is going to hit. Yeah, it's getting updated when he hits in the obstacle. That's all for this tutorial. Let's meet in the next tutorial.